In this video, I'll be going over some 3x3 example solves. As of now, I average around 8.3 to 8.4 seconds. This video will mainly help you focus on your efficiency. If you're looking for a video about look ahead, this really won't help you. You could average like 12 seconds with decent look ahead, but still make a lot of mistakes in efficiency and F2L. So I hope this video helps out. I only solve on white and yellow cross. I'll leave the scrambles in the description. Okay, first scramble, I'm going to do yellow. I see 3 pieces adjacent to one another correctly. So this yellow piece is correctly placed next to this blue, and then this red is also placed next to this blue correctly. This green is on its opposite edge, so what we can do is we can bring these 3 down into their spots and then bring this one after doing a D. So I would do this from the back. I can already see that my first pair is going to be these 2. So here I would do an L prime, B prime to put this one in, and here I would do an R2, D, and then I would put this one in, and then do a D2. First pair of these 2. Second pair of these 2. Here I would rotate, and for EO I would split these up like this and then insert it, and then these 2 I would just use an alg. OLL, and I know that I'm going to get a diag case because all the corners are diag. E-perm. Okay, for this one, I'm going to do yellow too. I see that we can put this blue and yellow edge in, and that would be adjacent to this red. I do see this block, but I don't think we'll be able to make an X cross. I don't think it'll be worth it, so I would place this one up here and bring this green and yellow edge down here by doing an R prime F R2. And then I would do a D to align the cross and then insert this orange edge. So this would look like this. So do an R to put the blue in, rotate, insert the green, insert the red, do a D, insert the yellow edge, and then I see these 2. So that would be my first pair. And that sets up these 2. I saw these 2 get split, so I do a U2 and insert in the back, and then these 2 in the front. OLL, R perm. Here I would do white. I see that this one is aligned with its opposite center. This one is 1 move away from being to its opposite, so I would do a D, L. And while I do that, I would insert this green into here, and this blue would already be attached to the blue center. So this would look like this: D, U, L, F prime. I'd rotate, do a D2, and then take this pair out, and then do it. I see these 2 pop up, so I'd rotate and then insert them. These 2. and then these two. This is a ZBLL, so I would do so here I would do yellow. I see these two are aligned adjacent to one another correctly. If I do a D and insert this blue, I would be able to do another D and then insert this one with an R2. And my first pair would be these two, and they would not be affected by the cross. So D, R prime, D, R2, and then these two. I see these two next. And then I saw these two. I would rotate and then insert them like that. And then these two can be split up like this. OLL, T prime. So on this scramble, I see that these two are on their opposites. This one is on its center color, and this one is adjacent. So I can start out with an F prime to align these two. I can do a D prime, R2, D prime, and then insert this one. I see these two, and then these two. I can rotate and then do them in the back. I would do these two, and that would set up these two. So I can do a U2, rotate, and then insert them. This case is going to give me a diag, V perm. Okay, those were all the example solves. I hope you enjoyed.